So this is my mostly restored Roper RT16T clone. This was a 1973 Sears SS16 that I did a bunch of work to, repainted, put all the Roper parts on it, painted the engine red, tuned the engine up, adjusted the valves, adjusted the head gaskets, or changed the head gaskets, cleaned the carb and everything else. This tractor's been sitting since my last video. I don't even know how long it's been. Probably since April. March or April, I think, was the last time I started this. Maybe May at the latest, but I think it was March or April. So I'm going to go ahead and do a really cold start, old start, cold start. I just put some fresh gas in it. It probably won't start on the first crank because I think the carburetor's out of gas at the moment, but I'm going to go ahead and see how she does. Whoops, I need a key, I guess. Where'd my keys go? I have these ugly keys that I want to scratch the dash up. Let me get a different key so I don't scratch my dash all up. There's the AR-14 I gotta still work on some more. Go grab a key from one of these guys. Here we go. I think this is the key for it anyway because it's a brand new key. Let's see how she starts here. I love this machine. I haven't finished it yet. I mean, really all I have to do is finish the headlights on it and put the shift knobs on. So let's see how she goes here. Plenty of voltage. Let's go. And there is no fuel in the carb right now. This one may need a prime. Only because the first time I started it, I did need to prime it because it does have to suck the gas a long way. Alright, so I think I'm going to have to prime it up. Let's prime it. Hang on. Alright, so take two, handy dandy carb cleaner. It's been so long since I started this thing, the lines are probably completely empty. So let's give it a little whiff of good stuff. And it pulled fuel right into the filter, but I do need another whiff just to get her to fire up. That is totally ruining the paint. Crap. This Rust-Oleum does not like carb cleaner whatsoever. Probably shouldn't have painted the inside of the air filter. Ah, so close. It's pulling fuel, it just doesn't want to stay running. Well, that's how she should run. Took a little bit more carb cleaner to get it started than I like, but it's running. Sounds so good. I'm going to pull it outside. I want to put it on the other side of my garage if I can fit it. I haven't driven this thing in so long. Surge a little bit sometimes. I still need to adjust the carb a tiny bit, but get it out in the daylight here and let it warm up. And I haven't even burnt the paint on the engine in yet or anything, so brakes work good on this guy. I got my lights squared away, so parking lights on and then hazards. I love this thing, so nice. Side piece here, I haven't put it back on yet, but I could put that on, and I have PTO cover painted for this. It came out a little wrinkly, but it's okay. But man, she looks good. She looks real good. I am very happy with how this one came out. I either need to get hubcaps for it or paint the wheels or something because they're pretty ugly, but I like this machine a lot. Masters sometimes can't get the carburetors perfect. here, just rolling the gears on my Sears.